I just decided last second that I'm gonna go on a drive. My car. I'm gonna take it on one last drive. I'm feeling pretty somber about it, so I'll do one more thing to make me happy. She's really dirty. Love this car very much, so this will be my last kind of big cruise with her. Okay, I'm already recording again. I literally stopped myself, but I wanted to say this car feels so connected. That's one thing I like about it so much, is that it just feels so right. And that's a reason I don't really want to sell it, is it just feels so right. And F chassis stands up to par very well. Like, the interior is like overall pretty nice and modern for what it is. It's 10 years old and it looks like this. Like, I don't have the digital gauges or anything, but it just feels right. Like, it feels connected, and not just like you can feel the road, but it just feels like the car feels smaller. Just driving through these like back roads and whatnot at like full, like I'm doing a decent speed right now, and I just have no problem, especially on these coilovers. I have no problem taking these corners at speed. I just feel so confident. A tunnel. I will see if I can get any sound out of this. My car is so quiet. I can hear the turbo right there because of the intake. I don't know if you can on the mic. It doesn't sound bad. It's just so quiet from the inside of the car. The only time you can hear it is on the outside of the car. Wasn't really sure where to park, so just gonna go in and try to find something to eat. Damn, I can't park for shit. Look at that. I mean, it's a long ass parking spot, but okay. It's kind of heat though. Fear no tree. Why is the sun illuminating on the chips like that? We're gonna move on. I feel very antisocial today, so I have been struggling to make clips because I just do not want to. Fit check. Fuck. 20 minutes out. We'll be there in about 15. Okay, 5 mile an hour bump from a 60. From a 60. I'm literally just gonna drive in the middle. And all these people aren't low and they're doing it. So me being kind of, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, it wasn't that bad. And there's another one. Highway 26, jeez, bro. Oh my gosh. If only this could be avoided by raising the car. No, not doing that. But there's no one behind me, so I can rip through gears in oncoming traffic. Wow. Yeah, she rips. If you have a nice car, if you have BMW or something, these roads are so nice. God forbid people do the speed limit, but these roads are so nice. They sweep back and forth and there's like no imperfections. At least coast side, they're really nice. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. It's so pretty. Can you see it? All right, we made it. I lost one of my mics in the process, but we have made it. Holy moly. Holy shoot. My goal is to touch water before I leave. This is so gorgeous though. Definitely doing this car justice. Just being here. So this is why everyone's here. Kind of want to try out a couple more. Not gonna lie, I got a little bit anxious. It was getting really packed there, and people kept standing in front of my car. But I'm gonna go to one more spot in the direction back, kind of like. It's something I saw on TikTok, and also the last spot was too. It's the pathway from the neighborhood that shows you Cannon Beach, where you can see Haystack Rock. I think it's Haystack Rock. Don't quote me on that. The big rock that's sticking out with the sand. So that'll be sick. Oh my gosh. We made it. Beach is over there, but I have to walk over there first. This is so impressive. Just wait. Incredible, dude. Incredible. Just perspective of how big it is. Pause. Wow. Just incredible. Would anyone want to love and cherish me on this beach? I really, really want to touch the water. Okay, I can go home. Definitely will be doing this again. I'm gonna miss this car a lot, but this was definitely worth it. And it's really hard, really, really difficult for me to film in public. It's just kind of getting me out of my comfort zone. So, I don't know, maybe I'll take a photo or two. I didn't bring my camera. I forgot to bring my camera, but I'm gonna try to get a couple photos on the way out. This one photo that these girls got on the way up I thought was super creative. Oh my god. That's so sick. It's hard to forget this trip is about my car. Okay, key's not working. There we go. This trip is not about my car because the beach is so nice. It's just so pretty. Look at her right there. I'm so happy with it. Super happy. I mean, with the trip overall. Wow. Polarizer does wonders. See if you can stop me from getting hit. All right, I should probably head back. Thanks for watching this far. I have been very anxious today, but I'm trying to show up for what I love. And this car and filming is what I love. I let my brain get in front of me all the time. So thank you so much. I'm gonna take one more photo right here before I leave. Oh my God. That was cool. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.